You know what it's like when you're browsing eBay for stuff you don't want with money you not necessarily have. And you find something and you go, wow, that looks quite cool. And then you buy them and then they turn up about 2 months later. These were, well they are, carpeted foam tiles and they seemed quite interesting. I thought, oh, we might be able to do something with that. But they came about half an hour ago and well, I don't think we'll be getting the DC-17 or the Kirby Century, perhaps not even the V11 out in this video. Oh my goodness, they've arrived. We need to have a look because why not? And who knows, to be fair, if they're no good for the vacuums, that might go down quite well in the kids' bedroom. Let's have a look. Yes, hello my vacuum cleaner chums, how are you today? Yeah, what I had in my mind when I bought these, I've had some thick foam these squares for years. We got them at Halfords, it's a UK store, they were cheap. We put them down under the kids' paddling pool. I use them to kneel on when I'm working on the car. And that's sort of what I had in my mind when I ordered these, but these, crikey, these make a shark look good quality. And obviously I haven't got just one. For my £22, I have, I think there's 33 in here. So, the next job is going to be, oh gosh, to open all of these up. I think with all of the mountains of plastic that we have saved for Namford on this channel, I'm not going to feel quite as bad about all of this as I should. Holy moly, but here is our, it still weighs nothing, literally, this light weighs about the same. Oh, this is going to be rubbish. Clean this up and we'll see how big it is. Oh no. Having earthed myself on the radiator. Oh, that was staticky. That is both terrible and cool at the same time. Its strength is in numbers, it seems. It's a bit better as one. I'll be honest, the number one thing in my head when I bought these was trackmark porn. And it looks like we may well get that. I think we should start to experiment, and I'm going to do it the same way that I work when I do refurbs, really. You start off light with the least amount of pressure, strength, etc. And you go up. So let's start at the bottom. When I say try a couple of things, I haven't got that much stuff knocking around, actually, that's good enough to try or that can get dirty, but we'll make a start. Wow! Look at the track marks! I mean, obviously, it's got a really good rotating brush rod in here. So much suction. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's not a terrific. Look at the track marks made by the Vax set. That's very good. Very, very impressive. Now, what else can we use? Well, let's use a shark, because the Shark IC160 is quite a weedy machine, but with a pretty aggressive brush roll, and it was literally there. In fact, let me just empty it so that we can see if it picks anything up or rips all of that off of the top of the phone. Oh, look at that. It feels so nice. Oh, ASMR vacuum line. What? I mean, even in hardcore mode, look, even turned off. Look at that. I wonder if it will do boost. Oh. Oh, that is fun. Oh, that is fun. Whoa. Did pick up a fair bit of fluff though, which is understandable really. Right, this isn't as bad as I was thinking. Obviously it's not going to last forever, but it's not too bad. Let's get a couple more machines out. It's got a bang, doesn't it? Thank goodness for that. The raw power of the Hitachi CV50D has indeed just taken a massive great big chunk out of one. So there we go then. We now know I've got on the edge later, and it started to lift up these as well. So yeah, certainly nothing that is probably going to touch a cord-dead upright. What about a cordless upright that is probably the most closest to recorded that I have? Too much as well, look. Let's put it on low. Hey, there we go. Although, it's still... That's on eco, on plus. Oh no, wait, minus, isn't it? Minus is what we want. Oh dear. I mean, oh god, we've ruined it. Oh, come on, Dyson. Oh, yeah. On plus, it just blocks up the whole thing, which is understandable because, oh, blimey. Right, so what have we learned? Well, this is lovely. Actually, it looks really, really good. And it's probably going to come out more for taking photographs or showing cordlesses. Will the shark get it off? Come on. Oh, come on, aggressiveness. Don't let us down. Oh dear. Oh. Oh, it's ruining it. Oh dear. No, it's got caught. What a stupid idea, isn't it? Oh my goodness, look at all that. Come on, I don't want to have to go. You're there. Just. Screw. Oh. I'm going to have to very carefully vacuum this off without ripping it apart anymore. And yeah, this is no dirt allowed. Oh, come on, it's not even getting it up. Oh, one's really ruined. Oh. I mean, the track marks are beautiful. The track marks are beautiful. Oh. Oh, blimey. Oh. Well, this was a stupid idea, wasn't it? Yeah, look. Oh, wow. I mean, I'll be honest, I didn't pay a lot for these. I was expecting a little bit more. Wasn't quite expecting to ruin it as quick. I'm going to have to do it with flipping tools. And yeah, these two at least are now scrap. Oh, right. So what I've actually done is spent me £15 on stuff that's going to be used for aftershots, photographs, perhaps demonstrating Black & Decker dustbusters. Definitely no corded or even, by the looks of it, most cordless machines allowed. Oh dear. Well, I hope you've enjoyed today's video. If you've seen these on eBay and have been tempted, they are trash, completely and utterly, honestly. They would do for a false surface that looks, although again you can see the flipping lines, so I don't quite know how. I suppose if you vacuum it off you might not, but yeah, kids playroom maybe, but obviously the first time they spill a drink on it, all of this is just going to come straight off the foam pad. Oh dear. Right, I'm going to get this cleaned up and put away, and thank you very much for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed, and I, and probably this, will see you soon. Bye bye.